How are you?
Don't come around the back. Let's do it here.
All right. How are you doing?
I'm great. How's everybody
Good.
doing? I'm glad to see everybody this morning.
Nice to see you have a big crowd here.
Yeah, we do.
Is it the food or is it your personality?
I don't know. Ask them.
Yeah, I think it's the food.
We just try to treat everybody right and
Yes.
give them a good value and a really tasty meal.
So, how long will you be here?
It's today or
No.
after the town has come through for us
Yes.
and has said that we can stay, and we are in the process of, the plan is to build here.
Oh, sweet.
And while the building's going on, we'll be at our location
Sweet.
across the street. And then while the building's going on there, we'll be here.
Nice.
And then after it's all done, we'll have both of them open.
Awesome. Awesome. All right.
Thanks for
Well,
coming by, and don't forget about
got
when
you.
you have your cleanups. Call me
Yes,
ahead of time.
you're always giving
and
away
we'll
stuff.
get something for your something
sorry,
for your
everybody.
rider.
Sorry.
Have a great
Thank you,
day.
guys. Thank you. All right. So that's good news. She's planning to rebuild. Did not know that.